Good evening. A man who killed 2 people in 2007 drunk driving in a drunk driving crash will remain behind bars.
The Missouri Supreme Court today ruled Cole County Circuit Judge Dan Green did not have the authority to commute the sentence of Larry Welch. KRCG 13's Garrett Bergquist joins us now in the studio to tell us what that ruling means to a survivor of that crash.
Johanna Olson Henry was 15 when she lost her mother and her brother to a drunk driver. She says today's ruling gives her a bit of a sense of closure. For Johanna Olson Henry, Tuesday's ruling marks the end of an unexpected legal battle.
Oh my gosh, just so thankful, so grateful. I cried. It was overwhelming because we've been in this process for so long, and to know that it's finally done. It is completely done. And that's such a relief.
Larry Welch pleaded guilty in 2008 to manslaughter and vehicular assault in the crash that killed Johanna's mother and brother. He was sentenced to 20 years in prison. But last December, Cole County Judge Dan Green reduced the sentence to time served because Welch is seriously ill. On Tuesday, the Missouri Supreme Court unanimously ruled Green had no authority to do that. The court cited state law which allows circuit judges to reduce sentences if a crime doesn't involve violence. The court wrote, in this case, Welch's criminal conduct killed 2 people. This is conduct that involves violence. Welch's lawyer says he's disappointed by the ruling.
I think any statute is designed to protect the public, and this ruling doesn't do anything to protect the public from a roughly 70-year-old man with significant illnesses and who served already 8 years in prison.
But Johanna and Cole County prosecutor Mark Richardson say the ruling will make it tougher for drunk drivers to get out of prison early.
Those victims now will know that when that sentence is imposed, the offender who received that sentence will have to serve it without being able to go back to court later on and get a reduction.
I hope it helps the community realize that it's not going to be tolerated. Like, this is serious, and it's done. It's not going to be tolerated at all.
Barding says Welch could file for a rehearing, but he'll leave that decision up to Welch and his family.